Part 1, Function Introduction. Power on clamp meter with or without APO. Rotate the rotary switch to power on the clamp meter with APO with a short beep. Auto power off to wake up by press once any button. To disable APO, press and hold the select button and rotate the rotary switch to power on the clamp meter with continuous beep. Rotate the rotary switch to the next mode. Voltage mode. Press once select button to switch to DC voltage or AC voltage. Every press once range button to manual set the measure range. Manual decimal point mode for voltage and resistance measuring. Rotate the rotary switch to the next mode. Resistance. Every press once select button to switch to the next function. Diode check. Continuity. DC millivolt measurement. AC millivolt measurement. Rotate the rotary switch to the next mode. 400 amp AC current measurement mode. 1000 amp AC current measurement mode. NCD SPT mode. Examples in Part 3 will introduce how to use it. Part 2, Wireless connectivity. Install the wireless connectivity module into the clamp meter before connection. Power on the clamp meter, press and hold for 3 seconds. The RELTX button to activate or deactivate the wireless connectivity function. The LCD will display that TX icon. Install iMeet from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store onto your smartphone and click to open it. Activate Bluetooth and location services on your smartphone. Click the searched icon to find this clamp meter to connect. After successful connection, click to display in full screen. Display format can be changed by turning the smartphone. Turn clockwise to display our analog format. Turn anticlockwise to display graphic format. When data logging, we need to turn off Save to Data Logger first. Click Setting icon to enter Setting menu and then tap the Save to Data Logger. After, tap Saves icon to save the setting instruction. How to record, view, share the measured data. Click REC icon and it turns to red. The clamp meter starts recording. Click REC icon again to stop recording and data saved. Click Files icon to view files recorded, and click Data icon to view the recorded data. Click once to view all details. Click the Share icon to select which file to share, then click Share icon again to share. How to capture and view photo as well as sharing. Click Camera mode, then click once Capture icon will capture current screen. Click Files icon to view captured files, then click Photo icon to view the captured photo. Click the Share icon to select which photo to share, then click Share icon again to share. Part 3, Using Scenarios. AC voltage measurement, 0 to 600 volts. Maximum, minimum, or difference button. For recorded AC or DC voltage, current, and resistance maximum, minimum, and different readings, press the button once to toggle. DC voltage measurement, 0 to 600 volts. Resistance measurement, 0 to 40 megohms. Diode check, less than 2.0 volts. Continuity test, beeps when resistance is less than 50 ohms. AC current measurement, 0 to 1000 amps. NCD, non-contact detection. Numerical display AC signal strength, instant find AC voltage through PVC conduit. Higher a reading obtained when touching the test electrode, lower is without touching. When a live wire is detected, the reading will be higher, neutral or ground will be lower. By using this method can be used to identify or locate the live wire. NCD function, wrong wiring or connection check. Reading on clamp meter increases when the plug is inserted improperly or live or hot wire is connected wrongly, reverse, to the socket. SPT, single probe AC voltage test. Using the red test probe to physically contact with the metal terminal for testing. When this live is detected, the reading is very high, neutral is low and the ground is the lowest.